Everybody, we are still in problem set 1.1, and we are now in question 24. Okay, so we have the three axes. X, Y, Z. And they ask us if we have the three vectors, let's say some U, and some V, and some W, which vectors are combinations of U and V, and also combinations of V and W. Okay, so if U and V create, okay, this is U, this is V, they create some plane. Okay, let's say, draw it in I don't know, orange. Let's keep the orange for this one. Let's say in light green. I don't have many light colors. So let's say U and V create some plane. Okay, let's say it's this plane. Like that. Okay, this is the plane UV. I don't have a good notation for this, but you understand what I mean. It's like these two lines. If you have some line and another line, okay, let's 1 second, I will bring another ruler. Okay, so this ruler, the plastic ruler, would be, let's say, U. And the metal ruler, let's say, would be V. Okay, so we have some two vectors in space. Okay, and once we decide the direction of this, we can put a plane. Okay, this blank page would be the plane. So it goes along these two rulers, and it's the plane of U and V. And in the same way, if I add another ruler, let's say we'll bring another ruler. Okay, this is another ruler, the green ruler. By chance, it happens to be green like W. So the vector, the second vector that we talked about, V, okay, the metal ruler, and this green ruler, let's say they are making it sits like this in space, and they make another plane. Okay, if we put this another blank page, I don't have a page in another color. I would have a, if it was ideal, I would take a green page, but this is another plane. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the page because the focus is playing tricks on me, but if you see there is another page. Okay, so we have two pages, two planes in space. Okay, and they intersect, they go through one another, and where they intersect there is a line. Okay, so let's say they intersect here, and where they intersect, where they cut each other, there is a line. Okay, so they ask us what is this line. So normally it would be we would have to think, but here we don't have to think because the answer is easy. What one line is common, okay, to both UV and VW, okay? What do they have in common? They have in common only the line V, okay? This metal ruler is in both of them. This line, the green line, okay? So if we have, oh, I didn't finish the painting. So if we had another, okay, this was one page, and let's say this was another page, and this was the only vector that they have in common. You can't see it from my picture here, but it's this. It's V. Okay, this is the only vector that is common to both UV and plane VW. Okay, because they both contain V, and there can be only one line that is common to both of them. Okay, they intersect in only one line. They have to intersect in one line, and it's only one line. So it's this line V, which is common to both of them. This vector, this line. Okay, so what was the question? 24. Which vectors are combinations of U and V, and also combinations of V and W? So the answer is all the vectors that let's say of the form something, let's say D or C times V. Okay, something times V, let's say C or D or E times V. All these kinds of combinations, all these, vectors would be the answer, would be common to this plane, UV plane, and VW plane, the other plane, the two pages, okay? This is where they intersect, this page, this line. Okay, so it can be 1V, it can be half V, it can be 2V, 3V, minus 4V, whatever. All these lines, all these vectors along V, the vector V, are the answer. Okay, so thank you.